Penelope, my dear friend. Today marks the dawn of a new architectural marvel. Check out the plans for the new treehouse.
Barnaby?
Is that?
Another 12-story spiral slide into a moat treehouse design?
See this section right here. This is how we make it work. We integrate the moss insulation directly into the frame for maximum efficiency.
Brilliant. Barnaby, where exactly do you plan to find enough squirrels willing to power an observation deck, let alone an acorn elevator?
Ah, Penelope, that's where the advanced Acorn-Bait-and-Leverage System comes into play. It's all in the schematics here.
Barnaby, sometimes your genius truly knows no bounds.
Penelope, why do you always question the brilliance of my innovative engineering concepts?
Barnaby, it's not I doubt your brilliance, it's just that practical application sometimes requires
A teach more simplicity.
simplicity.
But the elegant complexity is the entire point, isn't it?
How about we start with a simple pulley system for lifting materials, Barnaby?
Much less squirrel dependent, and we already have some rope.
A simple pulley system.
It does have a certain robust elegance, I suppose.
And think of all the time we'll save not having to train a squirrel brigade, Barnaby. More time for building.
Okay. Pulley system it is. Just promise me we'll reinforce the main support beam.
I've got the perimeter measured. Where do you want the foundation stake, Barnaby?
Right here, Penelope. The plans call for the main support beam exactly at this mark.
Right. Detailed notes are essential for structural critority, even for a simple system. Penelope, read off the diameters, please.
All right, Barnaby. Base circumference, 385 centimeters. Write that down.
All right, Penelope. I have the circumference recorded. Let's move on to the height assessment.
I've assessed the strength of this branch. It should hold, but we must account for the leverage point here.
Good thinking, Penelope. 2.7 apples?
Well, Barnaby, I subsist that branch's precially. 2.7 high.
This is ridiculous. It should be meters. Why is it saying apples? I don't understand.
Here, Barnaby. Sometimes the old ways are the most accurate.
Very well, Penelope. Back to basics. But don't think this means I'm giving up on a universal apple unit of measurement.
All right, Barnaby. I've got my end. Let's get that height. Got it. Hold steady, Barnaby. What do you see down there?
Precisely 5 meters and 12 centimeters. Ah, the undeniable accuracy of traditional tools, Penelope.
See? No apples involved. Just good old-fashioned teamwork, Barnaby.
Indeed, Penelope. But proper documentation of said teamwork is crucial. Now, for the structural load calculations for
Load-bearing capacity, tensile strength of bamboo.
12 stores, Barnaby?
We agreed on a sturdy treehouse, not a panda skyscraper.
But Penelope, one must always account for potential future expansion. A visionary always plans for scalability.
How about we scale down the skyscraper and focus on sturdy, comfortable 2-story for now, and leave space Iris for a real balcony? 2 stores, a modious doling.
Very well, Penelope. But the panoramic views the second must be absolutely breath-cackling.
Excellent, and I promise you, Barnaby, the views will be splendid. Now, let's talk about the actual materials needed for these 2 stories.
Oh, the first story for living, the second for observation.
And perhaps a small, functional balcony here for morning tea? For the main structure, strong oak planks, Barnaby. And for the flooring, seasoned pine.
No bamboo structural support. Okay. It's not perfect. I'll go back and revise the structural integrity report.
Hustle up, we're almost there. I'm hustling. Let's just make sure we follow the schematics this time. Lead the way, Penelope.
To the sustainable woodpile and beyond. The fruits of sustainable forestry. Precisely what our two-story marvel requires, Penelope.
These will make excellent foundational supports, Barnaby. Solid as a rock.
Oak planks, 2.5 meters by 30 centimeters.
Excellent choice, Penelope. Essential data for our inventory.
All right, Barnaby. These aren't going to carry themselves. Let's get them to the construction site.
Allow me to assist with the load distribution, Penelope. Structural integrity requires balanced forces.
Barnaby, darling, your assistance is appreciated, but sometimes best help is.
From a safe distance.
Safe distance? But
How will I calculate the optimal carrying trajectory from a safe distance? Penelope, wait! I've just devised a theoretical optimal carrying trajectory. It involves minimal caloric expenditure.
first batch delivered. Time for the support beams. Penelope,
You're faster than my theoretical optimal carrying trajectory calculations predicted.
Some things, Barnaby, are more efficient in practice than paper. Perhaps trajectory didn't account for a sudden burst of pig-powered motivation.
Anomalous variable detected. Pig-powered motivation. Must integrate into future models for increased efficiency prediction.
Barnaby, time for the pulley system. Pay attention. Anomalous variables.
Right, the simplified pulley system. My apologies, Penelope. The anomalous variable required immediate analysis.
Pulley system deployed, Barnaby. Send up the first plank. Heave. Ho.
The simple elegance of mechanical advantage.
Confound it! A new variable. Branch interception. This was not in the simplified schematics.
Barnaby, a slight adjustment to the angle. Push it from the side, gently. Don't just pull.
Lateral force application. An oversight in the initial pulley system optimization algorithm.
Success! The application of corrective lateral force was precisely what was required. Heave-ho, Penelope!
First plank secure, Barnaby. Excellent teamwork.
Phenomenal execution, Penelope. A truly magnificent demonstration of applied mechanics. Now for the second.
Huzzah!
Barnaby, secure the rope to the next plank. Same knot, nice tight. Penelope, my expertise lies in theoretical knots, not practical knot tying.
Never fear, Barnaby. The practical knot master is here to demonstrate. There. The double fisherman's bend. Now that won't come undone, Barnaby.
Remarkable, Penelope. The structural integration that knot is truly aeugically pleasing. You must teach me that technique.
Later, Barnaby. First, we build.
All right, Penelope. Awaiting verbal cue for optimal force application. Ready when you are.
Barnaby, pull.
Engaging smooth ascent protocol. Minimal branch interaction.
Almost there, Barnaby. Keep it steady. I've got it.
Second plank secured, Barnaby.
The foundation is officially laid.
Bravo, Penelope. A solid, unyielding foundation. Phase 1, completion achieved.
Indeed, Barnaby. Now for the actual walls. And maybe a quick snack break.
Snack break it is, Penelope. Precisely calibrated for optimal energy replenishment.
Now that's a plan I can get behind, Barnaby.
Optimal energy replenishment, indeed.
Ah, Penelope, there's nothing quite like a mid-construction cookie to re-energize the spirit.
And structural calculations.
The foundation is robust. Now we must consider verticality. The walls. How shall we acquire the necessary wall panels?
Forget the plywood, Barnaby. This bamboo grove is exactly what we need for the wall panels. Lightweight and strong.
To the bamboo grove.
This bamboo will provide the perfect blend of flexibility and strength. A truly organic architectural element.
Behold, Penelope owns scarfifing, attunement to natural engineering.
Structurally sound perhaps, but what about the permits?
This one. Excellent structural integrity, optimal diameter, and a resonant thwack.
All right, Barnaby, less thwack analysis, more whack action.
You point, I'll cut. Precisely 27 centimeters above the third node, Penelope.
For optimal panel length and structural integrity.
One panel, ready for processing, Barnaby.
Next!
Penelope, this bamboo is absolutely perfect. Excellent work as always.
Only the best for our bridge design, Barnaby.
Whoa there! An unforeseen root protrusion. Spatial awareness compromised.
Careful, Barnaby. My calculations did not include Panda to bamboo to ground trajectory.
Penelope, my dear friend, your pig-powered motivation is truly a remarkable failsafe. My sincerest thanks.
Just try to keep your theoretical optimal carrying trajectory on the actual path, Barnaby. Follow my lead.
Phase 2, material acquisition successfully executed. Now, to transform these raw materials into elegant wall panels.
Precisely split along the natural grain, Penelope. We need uniform panel thickness for optimal insulation and structural integrity.
Another perfect wall panel, Barnaby. Ready for installation.
Exquisite craftsmanship, Penelope. The uniformity is truly commendable. This panel will provide optimal thermal regulation and aesthetic appeal. A magnificent collection of vertically oriented components. Penelope, we are ready for wall elevation. Heave and hoist. The walls of our dream begin their ascent.
First wall panel in position, Barnaby. Looks perfectly plumb.
The vertical elements are coalescing beautifully, Penelope. A truly efficient assembly line. Behold, Penelope, the nascent stages of enclosed living space. A sanctuary taking form.
Solid, Barnaby. No wobbles, no creaks. These walls will withstand even a strong gust.
Now, Penelope, for the strategic placement of panoramic viewing apertures, we require optimal light ingress and environmental observation points. Panoramic viewing apertures.
Right, Barnaby. You mean windows. Just say windows. Windows? But...
Panoramic viewing apertures conveys the functional grandeur with far greater linguistic precision, wouldn't you agree? Well, one does strive for linguistic precision, Penelope, even if it occasionally verges on the verbose.
All right, Barnaby. Panoramic viewing apertures it is. But let's make sure they open and close properly.
Ah, the Precision Aperture Cutting Tool. Perfectly suited for this delicate operation, Penelope.
Slow and steady, Barnaby. Maintain optimal blade trajectory.
Minimize structural vibration.
Confound it! The angular coefficient of friction is interfering my trajectory. A structural impasse.
Barnaby, darling, for the corners, we use a drill. Makes the angles much easier.
A rotational cutting implement for corner initiation. Penelope, your pragmatic innovations are truly inspiring. A magnificent application of circular motion.
Here. Now your saw can glide through those cuts like butter, Barnaby. Give it a try.
Ta-da! Perfectly square!
Hooray! We make a great team!
Now that we have the measurements, we drill the pilot holes for the window frame. Hold it right there, Penelope.
The lower level's external vertical components, complete with strategic viewing apertures, are now structurally appealing. Bravo, Penelope!
Looks like this structure is officially approved.
Well done, Inspector! Indeed, Barnaby! Now for the second story platform. More planks, more teamwork, less overthinking.
To the wood repository. Let us procure the necessary planar structural elements for the elevated observation deck.
Excellent. We require lighter yet equally robust materials for the upper platform. Optimal weight distribution is paramount.
These pine planks are perfect, Barnaby! Lighter, but still plenty strong for the observation deck.
Pine planks, 2 meters by 25 centimeters. Excellent choice for upper-level construction, Penelope. The reduced mass-to-strength ratio is ideal.
All right, Barnaby. These lighters will be a breeze. Let's take them up to the second level.
Oof! A momentary gravitational anomaly. My apologies, Penelope.
Just stay there, Barnaby. I'll be back for you eventually. The treehouse won't build itself.
A temporary spatial disorientation. Nothing a quick recalibration of my internal gyroscopes can't fix.
Despite minor gravitational anomalies, our dream structure progressed sprentously. A test-read vision, even with varied execution styles.
All right, Barnaby. Lighter load, faster ascent. Get ready to admire our new perspective.
The elevated observation deck components are making excellent progress. Penelope's practical application skills are truly unparalleled.
Second platform complete, Barnaby. Our view just got a whole lot better.
Outstanding, Penelope! The elevated viewing platform is a marvel of architectural ingenuity. Unparalleled vistas await.
Come on up, Barnaby. The view from your observation deck is ready for inspection.
Vertical ascent protocol initiated. Maintaining 3-point contact. Avoiding further gravitational anomalies.
Penelope, it is truly
Spectacularly panoramic. Our dream treehouse is complete.